Hey guys, I'm Justin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to your clients' Google business profiles in just a few seconds with the click of a button. And if you're like me, you've helped hundreds or even thousands of business owners figure out how to give access to an agency to their Google business profile, and this tool is going to change how it works forever. So if you are used to adding members or people to a Google business profile or try and get access yourself, then you know that your client needs to go to their Google business profile or to business.google.com. And then when they're on their Google business profile, click the three dots, say business profile settings, say people and access, and then give access to your email address, right? It seems simple, but some people have a very hard time figuring out how to do this. And so the tool I'm about to show you makes it as easy as clicking a button. So what I'm going to do is show as an example that you text this link to one of your clients. All they need to do is click the link that you text or email them, and they'll be brought to a page that asks them to invite you. So let's say your name is Paige to manage your Google business profile, and you can set Paige to either be your name or the name of your agency, whatever your client is going to recognize. They're going to say continue with Google and then log in using their Google email that manages their account or owns their account. Okay, now that we have logged in with the Google account, you can see here, again, it's asking which Google business profile do you want to share with Paige? And then all your client needs to do is select the Google business profile that they want to give you access to. And when they say invite, it's then going to have Google send you that beautiful email that says so-and-so is inviting you to manage their Google business profile. And all you have to do is hit accept, and then your client will also get the notification that you accepted that invitation. So it's extremely easy to get access to this link. All that you need to do is join the Merchant Partner Program. So the Merchant Agency Partner Program is a bunch of tools and perks that make it easier to run and grow and scale a marketing agency that specializes in local SEO or Google Business Profile Management. It includes the perk that I just showed you, this GMB invite link, but you also get 10,000 plus leads every month, special pricing on all the software, access to a tool that you can put on your website that lets your leads do their own AI-powered Google Business Profile audit to help you get more leads, and then a bunch of other perks. So if you want to learn more about this, just head over to Merchant, then hover over Solutions and say Agency Program, or comment in the section below, and I'll be happy to send that link directly to you or answer any of your questions. Thanks and enjoy.